Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can read deleted WhatsApp messages. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. So let me open and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the WhatsApp. Okay, click on that and you need to allow all notifications from here so that somebody when send you message you can easily see that on your notification bar on the top. But let's suppose you are unable to see with this method, you simply need to come on to the Play Store and search for read WhatsApp deleted messages. Read WhatsApp deleted messages. So here you can see that this is the app recovered WhatsApp deleted messages, so you can use this different apps. So the first one is the best. You can use this because it has 1 million plus downloads and it will be best. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.